In this video I'm gonna quickly teach you 4 easy ways to make a vignette in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 74 of 365. I already have my logo here and a white solid. If you want to add the vignette only in the background, you can do it with the effect CC Vignettes. And here you have the controllers to make it softer or sharper. If you want a really sharp vignette, you have to increase this all the way and decrease the angle of view. But this way will only apply to the background. You see, if I move this logo, it will not affect to the logo. If you want to also affect the elements above, you have to create a adjustment layer with Ctrl-Alt-Y and add the CC Vignette. So this is the faster and easiest way to make a vignette, but you can see here you can't really change the color of the vignette and the shape. You can change the position with the center, but you can't change the shape. So let's go with the second method. With this second method, you have to create a solid layer with Ctrl-Y. Let's call this vignette and make this black. Okay, and here we have to select the ellipse tool. Now with the vignette selected, we have to double click in this ellipse tool. It will create a ellipse the same size of our solid, and you will see the mask here. We have to change add to subtract. Now we have the vignette, but it's too sharp, so press F to see the mask feather, and you can increase the feather of the mask here. The good side of this method is that you can change the shape of the vignette. So if you double click in the mask, you will see this rectangle, and if you grab one of the sides and press Ctrl, you move in both sides, and you can give the shape you want. Press enter, and there you have the shape. And you can also change the color. If you select the solid layer and press Ctrl-Shift-Y, you can change the color of the vignette and even adjust the opacity. For this third method, we are going to create a blurry vignette. And to see the blurriness, I'm going to add the effect fractal noise to the white solid, so now we can see the blurry. First, we have to create a adjustment layer, Ctrl-Alt-Y, and add a Gaussian blur. Increase the Gaussian blur, you will see all blurry, and we have to double click in the ellipse tool to make a mask and invert this. So select subtract, increase the feather of the mask, and we have the blurriness there. Now let's make this darker. So also add a fill effect, make this black, and here select all mask. You will see we have the fill inside the mask, so we have to invert this. Click here in invert, and we already have the fill outside. Now increase the feather for vertical and horizontal, and you can decrease the opacity if you want. I'm gonna change the shape so you can see this better, and there you have this blurry vignette. You see, if I move my logo, you will see it also affect my logo. And for the fourth and last method, we have to create a adjustment layer, Ctrl-Y, and we're going to add a CC spotlight. You will see this is basically like a light, and to make this to look better, we have to increase the edge softness to 100%, increase the cone angle, and you can increase the height if you want. Also increase the intensity. And now you just have to position this the way you want, and you will have these different vignettes. If this was helpful for you, consider liking and subscribing. If you're starting in motion graphics, want to improve fast and build a solid portfolio, join Animation Essentials in the link in the description.